Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe via the thumbnail on the bottom right corner. As you can see, the focus of this video is my hydraulic system from fischertechnik, with here the automated part driven by a laptop with Linux and programming it by Python. And this is the manual operated part, which I last time reconstructed by putting the horizontal light pistons in vertical mode. Reconstruction isn't over yet because this is still in horizontal mode, horizontal position. And I also noticed last time already that this part isn't really working nicely. So the focus is to get this part here upright and getting this one operating better. If I will succeed, that's another question. So let's get to it. The first thing to do is put this piston in the upright position. And as I do this, you can already see an effect here, which is not exactly the way. Yeah, okay, it does happen, but I need quite a lot of force. So getting this wire out of the way, pulling away this angle piece has to go for now, turning it around, and that is one thing. Removing the motor, this propeller, and somehow I need to have this over here or something like. So I am okay. This is the maximum position. I can't even pull it any further. So this is the position where the switch has to be. That means that somehow the switch has to be right here, and it has to be the on position or the on situation, and then something to fix the switch to. So how can I do that best? So using the parts that remained, I've moved the parts that were here up here, and one here for the propeller, with a flat piece here, corner piece here, and then I had to do one small adaptation in position, let me put it that way. And most important is of course that this will be in press position. So now if I move it by hand, let me use this piston for it. You can see this move up or down actually. And now I can also see the fact that it does move down, but it doesn't move up completely. And that is of course not the intention. So I need the hand to get it done. How much air is there involved? Here's an air pocket, and here's a slight air pocket. So that may be the problem, or the cause of the problem, that it doesn't get up completely. So maybe yet another refill is at hand. Let me just refill and see if that indeed does solve this issue. And before refilling, I noticed something else. I could not press this one completely in. And I noticed that it was due to the fact that when this one is fully extended, this one was pressed up high. So I had to put a piece in between these two, and now I can press it completely in. which does not mean that I don't have to refill, because there's an air pocket here still. So that's it next, the refill, and then see if it works better. This part is now refilled, this part hasn't been, and there is some air pocket in here, but let's try anyway to get things working out. Okay. And exactly what I feared, this air pocket is not helping. It is bouncing quite a bit. So that is working out, but this really needs a refill, and considering the amount of hose here, it's going to be unlikely that it is completely refillable. Well, refillable, yes, but without air, that's doubtful. But it needs to be done. With this refill I have a problem. It's a problem to take this one out, and it is a problem to take this one out. So which one is easiest to do? I need to refill this one actually, so I'm not replacing the hose with this one that I used before, but I will try to take out this hose and then try to refill it without keeping it upside down. Hopefully I don't spill too much, but I don't know how to do it otherwise in a decent way. So let's try it. Taking it apart, I can see that there's still water in this T section, and there's still water in here, but I'll have to do it anyway. And then also keeping the hose in this glass of demineralized water. So let's just do it. And then the refill is a bit complicated because the hose has to stay inside of the water. Yep, and then it sucks air, so it's not making it any easier. And there's air in here, so I do think I will have to take it out anyway, because there's a reason you have to keep it upside down. So that's proof I have to do it and take it out. And then it shows that taking this one out is actually quite easy, because I can just slide it out. And it's already done. Hardly any air in it. So let's take another try and take a look at that piston. And it's not working. Okay, this one is fully, but this one isn't cooperating. Now I have to still do it manually. That's a bummer. And apart from that, I can't check it out without running software. So next part is with the software. Either screencast or not quite sure. And before I start the software, I note that in this piston, from the automated part, the air socket is really big. So in order to get the automated part function nicely, I really need to refill. Otherwise that really won't work out. So short screencast, the camera pointing to well, as you can see, the installation, software which I haven't changed, and the hydraulics software to start. So I will start and then get back to ordinary video if things go right. And it doesn't go right because here something goes completely wrong. Oh, hopefully this is better. That is the way it's supposed to be. Now I see something going wrong immediately, because this is pressed but the motor doesn't go, and that is certainly the objective. So why doesn't the motor go? I need to check on some actual signals. So let me stop this and check out via diagnostics. Alright, diagnostics shows that this input is being signaled. However, the motor doesn't do a thing. So let me activate the motor. And there's nothing wrong with the motor. So this raises the question: if the sensor is pressed, why doesn't the motor run? So, and now it does. So I am going to pull this piston and it stops. Push, and I have to help it. And this one has gone again, but now it's functional again. So this one isn't quite up to what it should be, but at least that one is functional, and that's the most important. So back to camera. So with the air here gone, air here gone, because there's hardly any air in here, which doesn't mean there's no air in the hose anywhere. There's no air in here, so that means, in my idea, that here in this construction there's something not quite right again, or still. So everything is functional except that this pivot is still not quite as I like, and I think well, apart from necessary improvements, refills every time again, I need to rethink it. And the rethinking is something for another time. So for now, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up and press the bell for notification. You can support via PayPal, Ko-fi.com, or becoming a patron for as little as €2 or $2 a month. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. This is obviously going to be continued. So for now, have a great day, take care, stay safe. Oh, and by the way, please do visit my website for other embedded systems or robotics or fischertechnik projects. Have a great day. Bye.